Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we're at $26,000 right now, down 4.5% today. Looks like the market is down as a whole. Most of the positions are down a little bit. AMD is my biggest position, down 2.3%. I do have some option plays on it. The other week, AMD was up a pretty good amount, which honestly would have been a very nice time to sell and then rebuy. But like I said before, if I had that kind of foresight, I would be a billionaire right now. But of course, I'm not. But from the plays that I see right now, I'm really interested in Meta right now. Meta getting down to the low 600s, 620. It was at in the 660s or even 670s at one point. So that's an interesting buy right now. I am interested in looking into buying some Meta shares. AMD as well, even though AMD has made a little bit of a jump from low 200s to like 220s, it is still a decent buy right now. I do believe anything under 210 is a good buy for AMD. I think AMD will hit $300 plus by the end of the year. So that's a 50% upside or close to it by the end of the year. I do believe if I do continue adding more money to this portfolio will be well above $60,000 before we know it, before the end of the year. Ultimate goal, 100K, if not more than that. But conservatively, I believe we'll hit at least $50,000 to $60,000 conservatively. I will continue to add on to my AMD position. I do have Fubo long, kind of like a speculative position. I do believe Fubo could become a $5+ stock, if not $10 plus, in the next couple of years. So I'm just going to be holding on to this. I do the wheel strategy on ACHR, SoFi, HIMS, and IBIT. And as you can see, I do have these. I'm doing monthlies on them. I'm just doing a 30 delta on them. So whatever I can get for 30 delta, I sell calls on them. If they expire worthless, perfect. Do it again for the next month. If somehow these positions do go past my strike price, I'll probably roll up and out one more month, most likely for a net positive uh, gain. If not, I'll probably pay a little bit extra for it just to get that, like the gain in the price of these positions. I think I'll show you ACHR. My average cost is actually $12 on this, so I have quite a bit away for ACHR to get to that point. And this one's so volatile, man. It was almost close to $9, and it's now under $8.50. SoFi, I believe my average cost is $31, so quite a bit away from that. So I'll just keep running the wheel on that. HIMS, my average cost is actually $42.50, so I'll keep collecting premium on these. IBIT, my actual average cost is $58.96. I did sell a call on 54, so the way that Bitcoin is running up, I might actually have to roll this one up and now whenever we get close to expiration, because it's already past 54. So we'll most likely roll up and out $1, if not more than that, and hopefully it continues to roll up, go up more, so I can just keep rolling up and out. And whenever I do decide to sell out, I'll most likely be selling a decent gain. But that's a little update on the portfolio. We were doing pretty decent the other day, almost 28K, but we're back down a little bit. Super volatile, especially since my portfolio is heavy in AMD. But I'll continue to buy more AMD. I believe AMD will become a very, very big company, $1 trillion company plus. So I think this is going to be a 600, 700, even $1,000 stock eventually, as long as I'm willing to hold it for that long. But yeah, thanks for watching.